My name is Roberto Martinez. I'm from Monterrey, Mexico. I work as a manufacturing manager at our company. It's a family business. It's a CNC machine shop, and we are dedicated to produce medium to high volume spare parts for the industry in general. Our primary customers are dedicated to the intelligent logistics, warehouses like for Amazon or for large stores as Costco, Walmart. We work also for the medical industry. Our organization in the past 5 years, it grew from 10 to 60 employees. In the past years, we were used to quote just a few quotes, yeah. But nowadays that our company grew and also our customer demands, we were forced to quote a lot of packages, technical drawings, and we were unable to comply with our customer demands in time and also with accurate estimations of the cost. The time that we spend quoting is much less than in the previous months. We have improved our time response, and also the cost estimation are really accurate. In terms of time management, our team, not only me, at the beginning it was only me, but recently we acquired 2 extra licenses for the software, and our team can complete much more code faster and more accurately. We also improved our productivity, and we maximized the use of our resources, computers, personnel, and time. It's made up of really highly skilled, experienced, and very supportive staff. They have made the onboarding and training process really a great experience, really fast, really detailed explanation, really patience. Any doubts, they can clear them really fast. The software has a really friendly interface, and it's really easy to configure and adapt to the company needs. And just a couple clicks and you're ready to go with any request you have. It could be metal fab or metal sheet, and also it could be turning or lathe process. Yeah, when it becomes, for example, from some the rule setters, the rule setting algorithms, or the rule setting system that allows you to maximize the efficiency of the time, and you can create a really customized routing process for any of the for example, the milling process, the turning process, also the sheet metal. You can customize, and the staff is really experienced, and they can help you throughout the process of the configuration. And then also they are really skilled, agile, and also when there when a need arises, let's say during weekends, even during weekends, they are really there for you to help you out through the technical issues. And personally, I'm not an expert using databases. So every time I have some technical data about it, the technical staff is always there to help you. By phone, email, Zoom meetings, they're always there. The 3D effects, I love it. I simply love it. That feature is really amazing. It allows you to recognize all of the features from any part, and within seconds, something that could take you many minutes, even hours, the software can recognize it in less than 5 seconds, 10 seconds. For us has been a great experience, a great step up in our processes, and we've made a really good collaboration with you. We're really proud of it.